We have arrived in Tromsø, Norway on board Ambassador Ambience. We are on a 16-night cruise in search of the Northern Lights. We have so much to share with you. We're going to start the day off for breakfast in the buffet. We're going to then take the complimentary shuttle bus into Tromsø. We're going to catch the cable cars and head up into the mountain for some amazing views before returning to the ship for the evening's activities, our meal in the main dining room and the evening entertainment. And yes, stick around to the end as we actually do see the Northern Lights. Breakfast in the Bora market in the buffet on Ambassador Ambience, and Chu's just come back with her breakfast for this morning. Now this gives you an idea what Ambassador Ambience has on offer for excursions. Now we chose to do our own thing and we just used the complimentary shuttle bus into Tromsø. Now I do think Ambassador Ambience is quite fair on what they charge for the excursions. It's quite reasonable. And then this is the ship's itinerary for the day. Now let me know in the comments if you'd be entertained with what they have on offer. No, skis! Skis would be ideal. The gangway off the ship today is extremely steep.
My God, even me, if you
I'm gripping. No steps.
Morning everyone, today is day 8 in Norway.
Tromsø.
Tromsø. Very cold here. A lot of snow in the mountain, but not here. -3 degrees.
Yeah, -3.
Yeah.
So we just got off the shuttle bus, complimentary, and it drops you off right outside the Radisson Blue Hotel. And looks like we're on a bit of a marina here as well. Now if you've not done so already, if you could just do us that one massive favour and hit that subscribe. Thank you. And literally the bus has dropped us off literally just on the other side of that building. So it's only a couple there. Well, there is Radisson Blue. So it's just, that's where it's dropped us off. Walk down here and you can catch the shuttle bus then to go up on the cable cars.
Yeah. Okay.
We're going to have a little walk around and pop back to 12. I'm going to say, watch the ice. Well, just took the bus about 15 minutes and we've arrived here and we're going up there. So you scan your QR code just there, gets you in. You can buy the tickets online. I think they're all the same price, to be honest. I haven't noticed it any different. Just picking up speed now, look. There's the ship to the right. Oh, it's rock hard. I'm going to throw a snowball, but can't make one. Go on, darling. Yep, it's solid ice. It's not snow, it's ice. Let's get to the edge. Well, there we go. It appears that there isn't a path. I don't know if I'll take my dad over that. There isn't a path, so maybe not a good idea. You can see the ship there, look, that's good enough.
We'll stop here.
You're only going to get an extra 6 foot, aren't you?
It gets worse the further
Yeah.
you go. That's what I thought. When you go back, you just lie down.
Yeah, it's not snow, it's just solid ice. So we could walk to that end, but we're not gaining a great deal from what we can see here. Yep, that's your ship, ma'am. I've just checked my credit card It was £180 for the 4 of us with the bus ticket, so £45 each to come up here. Which, when you look at it like that, it's bloody expensive. Because we've done. Isn't it? Choose free is in. Another little man that comes with us. So the shuttle bus drops you off just here. You walk up to that white tent there, which is the entrance, and then you go up there. In Norway you have to have your seatbelt on the bus, and they're ever so stiff. So we're heading back now to Tromsø, then we'll walk to the other bus and then catch the shuttle back. You know, you'd think it's only what, 1 o'clock, and they've all got lights on in the house, it's dark. They're not getting enough sun, are they? So we got our tickets in there, and you know, what time is it now? So 1:30, so 90 minutes. Sort of a quick and easy tour. We're going to head back now to the ship. So Radisson Blue there. Oi.
And then if we go with the Renanette.
Hey!
He just got me. Just got me. I thought I was safe up here. I'm staying out the way. Oh, there we go. So 50 to the reds and 30 to the blues.
Potted cheese and cranberries, smoked haddock, salmon and potato cake.
What you had, Dad?
I don't know, cheese and raspberry.
Cheese pot.
Cheese pot. So then choose had the what's it? Choose had pork and something tureen, isn't it? Yeah. And then me and my mum have had the salmon potato cake.
He's got
Cream of. I all forgot what it is anyway.
courgette. Oh, I've got bits of meat in it.
We've all had the same meal, and we've had the mixed grill, which comes with a sausage, a bit of bacon, chicken, and some liver, which choose getting my liver. We'll start calling her Pepper.
Trifle.
What you had, ma'am?
I've had the strawberry.
It's all mine.
Yeah. Black Forest Gatto, and I've had the cookie and ice cream.
Tell you, isn't it?
Go on, carry on.
Don't you know what the waffle is?
No.
Where were the folk kids?
It's probably old like you see, and I'm that much younger.
It's about our ages, yeah. You're not going to put it on your podcast, are you? God, I want a commission.
If my mum starts effing and blinding. You done yet or not?
I'm done. I'm having a peaceful night.
Okay. How was your dinner, ma'am?
Fun.
How was your dinner?
It wasn't too bad. Couldn't finish it, too much of it. we're the best of friends now.
Really?
And for an hour.
I'm going to say.
We're asleep by then. So it'll last till morning.
If only they'd got a buffet that were open.
Yeah, I'd like that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would.
I'd love a piece of pizza. For here. Pizza.
Let's see if they know where we live.
They're telling me how long to get in there.
Got it upside down, but we're not telling.
Hey up, things are out.
Good night.
Bloody hell, feel the cold out your room. You got the aircon on? Christ, it's not like that, us. We won't be going to bed. It's not so bad. Okay, darling, what do you say?
Down out.
Oh my god.
And I'm kidding.
You say hello in the comments, give us the thumbs up and hit subscribe. Good night.
Okay, say hello to the comment, please
Two.
thumb up and subscribe. Good night, everyone.
Well, that completes our visit to Tromsø. Now be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our visit to Alta. We arrive in Alta, Norway tomorrow. And if you'd like to watch another one in the series, click above. Thanks for watching, it's much appreciated.